Okay, going to do a little CW here this evening from the campsite. I'm going to use my pickup truck. This is a High Sierra antenna. The model is a Sidekick, and it's installed on a 2007 Dodge pickup truck. And then inside here we have the ICOM 7000 HF rig, and we're on 20 meters. And the key we're going to use here is a Begali. The model is a Traveler. Nice little key. It's got foldable feet on the side to add for stability when you want to use it. Folds in when you're done with it. So let's call some CQ on 20, see if someone answers. One more time. Well, nothing right now, but there it is. We were running about 25 watts there. Too bad someone didn't come back. But it's my little mobile setup here.